Hi, Bree. Just talking about your paper real quick. First off, you can go ahead and get rid of this heading and title right here. We're actually going to format a title page today that'll take care of all those issues. So there's nothing there that you actually need to have. Second, as you come down through here, you did a better job of starting to frame this issue, though you left it out of your introductory paragraph. Let's look at this. People may have realized it, but humans are the main reason that coral reefs are being destroyed and dying so rapidly. You may not think that a dying coral reef will affect you, but it really will. It also may not affect you personally, but the fishermen and people who rely on the food in their everyday lives will definitely notice. Okay. Later on, you do a nice job of talking about this through the lens of fishing and business, which I think is the right way to go. You could also add tourism into this. But you don't explain this in any way. What do you mean the fishermen are going to notice? What do the fishermen pull out of the coral reefs? How do the fishermen pull it out of the coral reefs? How will the bleaching of the coral affect this? I think those are all conversations that need to be had and just vaguely introduced here in the beginning. As you come down here, you talk to me about what coral reefs are. The highest biodiversity of marine life. Good. I'm not sure what this means. Turn the rubble in less than seconds. How can something happen in less than seconds? Anyway, I want to rewrite that. And now you come back and you try to revisit this question of why should people care? I think this actually needs to be flipped, where this paragraph goes above the previous paragraph. Because if you're going to end discussing with me the fishermen, let's expand that issue, and then let's jump into what the coral reefs themselves actually are and what's happening to the coral reefs. That's where you come down here and you start to talk about the coral bleaching. Good. So once we straighten out your organization there, then you talk about a little bit of the history of the coral bleaching. That's fine, but this is clearly an incomplete paragraph, so more stuff needs to be added here. Finally, you come back and you connect this to the fishing industry again, which, as I said before, I think is the correct way to do this. Once you take care of the organization in that dangling paragraph on page 2, the only other real complaint that I have here, Bree, is that you lack quotes. Where is any of your information coming from? And do you have any personal testimony that can help to strengthen what you're saying? Some authority who can let me know why this is important, or how fast this stuff is happening, or what needs to be done to try to solve the problem. That's the biggest stuff that I notice right now. Some of your organization and your lack of quotes are really problematic and need to be taken care of. All right, listen to this and then we'll talk about it.